Hey, I just wanted to make a quick little video. Sometimes it's easier to show you what's going on so you can kind of see. First, what I did was I searched for properties that were available under $99,000 and over 1 acre. And I'm looking for all of the properties in the system. You can kind of see here in Charlotte, we only have just this one property that you already mentioned. This is the property where it is it's an estate sale, and it's got the multiple family members, and the one family member doesn't really want to sell, and that family member's child lives in the property, so you would need to evict that child first, and it's a little tricky situation. When we look around, if you look further up the street, we've got some up here in Concord. This one here is a single wide. I don't know if you're interested in that so much. And then this one over here is a little further in Concord, but this is on some land, Highway 73, smallish house, but might be, might have some workability there. Another single wide is over here for 49. And then again, if you come down this way, we get to some properties that, again, I'm not sure if this is going to be what you're looking for here down here. But certainly it is available. I know you're trying to stay in this area. Up here, if we go up to this way, we get 76,000 for 1,800 square feet. It's a manufactured home, but still certainly nice and livable. I don't know if that interests you. Over in Gastonia, we've got some properties over here. This is a little brick home under 1,000 square feet, 2 bedroom, 1 bath type deal. So I'm going to send you all of these properties, everything that we've got. I am licensed in South Carolina too, so I can show you these properties over here. If you do see anything that you like, just let me know. As far as what you want to see tomorrow, just let me know so I can make an appointment, and then we'll meet at one of those properties at 10 a.m. tomorrow if that still works out for you. All right, thanks so much. You can give me a call, or you can email me or text me, whatever works out best. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.